Hey guys, Coach Bryan with Tech Edge Trading. Happy Tuesday. It's going to be a short trading week this week due to the President's Day holiday, and that's okay. We'll get her in. We'll get her done. So I kind of wanted to go through BLSP a little bit, but before I get into the chart with everybody, I gotta say something. I've been hearing a lot of stuff, a lot of rumors around, this company. People pumping the stock, this, that, and the other. Guys, we got to be extremely careful buying into the hype, okay? And, I'm not trying to be a Debbie Downer. I know everybody's excited. Everybody's wanting to see big things with this company, and I get that. But you can't do it at the cost of being logical and doing the right thing for your account. If a trade doesn't work, it doesn't work. I mean, that's just all there is to it. Nothing is 100% in this game. We've got to be really careful and cognizant of playing off of hype and news. Those are FOMO traders, okay? The worst thing you can do is chase a stock. So if something's getting pumped and you're chasing it, more than likely you're going to be left holding the bag. And that's what happens. Prime example, look at GameStop. And the whole Reddit thing. Yeah, it was cool. It was nice to see the man getting taken to, right? I think all of us little guys appreciated that, but look at how many people were hurt in that whole scenario. A lot of retail traders were hurt really bad. Think about all the guys that were buying in that $300-$400 range, all the way to the top there, and they're still holding on. Stocks all the way back down to $50, and that's a freaking expensive bag. I don't know about you guys, but I am not in the business of holding bags. If you're holding bags, your money is not working for you. So just be cognizant of what people are saying and type of stuff that they're putting out there. There is a lot of people pumping. Guys, 99.9% of the stuff that you hear come out on a stock is going to be fluff and bullshit. It's all noise. It's noise in a sea of noise. You got to think logically, and you've got to look at the setups. You got to see what's going on, right? Trade what you see, not what you hear. And if a trade's not working and you don't like it, then get the hell out of Dodge. Right? But don't buy into the hype. People pumping the stock saying this thing's going to go to freaking 20 cents in the next hour and a half. Yeah, good luck with that, Good luck with that. So let's take a look at what's going on. You guys know I've been following the stock pretty heavily, price action, and I told you that there was a good chance for a pullback and a wedge here, and that's what's going on. This is actually a falling wedge. It's even though we've had several down days, it's still not bearish. This is still technically a bullish setup, and you can see volumes thinning. All this is being done on low selling pressure, so there's not a lot of conviction there, right? And you can see what happened today. I mean, the sellers really tried to step in, and then she got bounced off this level really tough. And this is actually a bullish hammer doji that was stamped in today. So this is signaling a potential reversal. So we'll have to see what tomorrow brings. I'm hoping that this is the bottom of this wedge, and then we're going to get another continuation, and hopefully eventually a retest of this 4 cent, this 0.0402 level, to be exact. But we have to see what tomorrow brings. Hopefully it's not going to be a false reversal or a failure. So let's see what she does tomorrow. I am not going to panic until I see her start taking these levels out. She's just doing what she's doing. This is all done on low volume. All we can do is be patient. You got to keep in mind it's a penny stock, guys. They are extremely volatile, and they are the riskiest vehicle when it comes to trading and investing. It's the nature of the beast. So, if you guys are panicking over her going a little bit against you, that tells me that you're a little too heavy. You don't want to bet the farm on these penny stocks. You really don't want to bet the farm on any trade, any setup. There's times to be heavy, there's times to not be heavy, but you got to know when to pump the gas and when to hit the brakes. There's a huge difference. So I'm not panicking right now. We'll see what tomorrow brings. This could be a potential reversal. If she runs tomorrow, that's going to be a confirmation of this reversal. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Today, it was a nasty day in the market, guys. Okay, I mean, look at this. Look at this. There's the NASDAQ comp. There's NYA, New York Stock Exchange. there's our futures. I mean, everything just opened up and just sold off. We had a slightly overbought rating this morning. That's why we got this sell off. And you can see this market just isn't really happy right now. She's not happy up here. There's a lot of resistance, and when we see this, it puts down pressure on the entire market. So of course, every stock is going to want to pull back unless there's some kind of catalyst to propel that. You got to look at a stock as basically being in the current of a river, and it's just a matter of time before that current takes her over, unless she has a reason to be going against the current. And right now we don't have any news. And you can see what happened today. You know, she was consolidating an open, and the current took her. Current just took her a little bit, and she bounced. Towards the end of the day, she tried to run a little bit, try to recover. So it's how it goes, you know? You can't be mad at that, right? You can't be mad at it. It's just the game, guys. This game that we play it's a very, very brutal game, and it has absolutely no mercy for anybody. You know, and that's the shitty part about trading. You know, the stock market doesn't care about your goals, your ambitions, your dreams, anything like that. She's going to do what she's going to do. If you want to get there, you got to get yourself there, you know, or you got to find somebody to help you get there. One of the two. You know, you got to pay your dues, either school of hard knocks or an education. But, you know, you're not going to get there without that. You've got to constantly push yourself, constantly grow as a trader, constantly learn. It's mathematically impossible to make a long-term career out of trading if you don't know what you're doing. Yeah, anybody can come in, have a few successful trades, maybe even a couple home runs, but I see it all the time. I see newer traders come in, hit a grand slam, and within a matter of a couple months, they've given it all back and then some. It's a completely different ball game, you know, trading for 17 years, 20 years. So you guys just be aware of the information that you're digesting, and just be logical. Just look at everything. Look at the setups. You know, it's been a nasty couple days, but, you know, I forewarned everybody that we were probably going to get a retracement off of here and come into some kind of wedge. I was hoping the wedge was going to be a little tighter, actually, but you can see her launch pad here, and then right here. If we can just keep coiling in here, we got a higher launch pad. So, you know, hopefully the next breakout is going to be enough force to take us over this 4-cent level, but we'll see. We'll see. We got some bridges we got to cross, and let's see what tomorrow brings, and we'll see if it confirms this potential reversal today that was being stamped in. So, all right, guys, over and out.